Gata, are you doing okay? Is that a yes? Gatita, are you doing okay? Okay, I just trim your nails, huh? Yes? Gata, I just trim your nails? Are you happy? Is that a yes? Okay, that's a yes. You want to take a bath now? Is that a yes? That's a yes?
That's a no.
That's a yes?
She doesn't want to take a bath.
Yes or no? A yes?
She said no.
Yes? No? That's a yes? Okay, yes, she wants to take a bath. Right now? Right now. Right now? Oh, she said she right now. Right now? Right now?
She said right now.
Right now? You guys have to be silent, otherwise you cannot hear it. Gata, right now? Right now. Right now? Oh my. Right now? Oh. Okay. What about, you want a kiss? Yes or no? No? You want to take a bath? Yes? Okay. Right now? Okay. Right now. Right now? She wants the bath right now. Okay. I just want to make sure that you said right now. Gata. Right now? Right now. Right now. Talking cat. Right now.